Which perennial thrives in heat, resists drought, and keeps blooming beautifully? Daylilies, the flowers that never quit. Here's why they're called the perfect perennial. This is TN Nursery, bringing garden magic to your backyard. In today's blog, we're exploring the perennial that keeps blooming, daylily magic, and why this flower is every gardener's dream. From fiery orange to sunshine yellow, they bring bold color to any garden, all season long. Daylilies laugh at heat and drought, making them one of the toughest flowers you'll ever grow. Give them sun, a little weekly water, and well-drained soil, that's it. No stress, no mess. Once blooms are done, just cut back the stalks. They'll return even stronger next year. Pests are rare, but keep an eye out for aphids or rust. Your daylilies will thank you. Daylilies don't just look pretty, they attract butterflies and bees to your garden. They grow quickly, filling spaces with lush greenery and vibrant blooms. Each bloom opens with the sunrise, making mornings in the garden unforgettable. Tough, colorful, and pollinator-friendly. That's the daylily difference. That's why daylilies are TN Nursery's bestseller. Beauty, resilience, and magic in one plant. Bring daylily magic to your garden today. Order from TN Nursery, just click the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden favorites. Thanks for watching.